How important is the rule of law for leaders to abide by?
Well, it's everything. Our nation is a nation of laws, and courts make decisions, and you can say you disagree with the rulings of courts, and of course you can appeal the rulings, but you cannot ignore them. The Trump campaign had the opportunity over 60 times to bring cases in state and federal court to show evidence of fraud, and in every instance the judges ruled against them. We have to abide by the rule of law. The law applies to everybody.
So what's the consequence of the leaders not abiding by the rule of law? What's the ultimate consequence?
Then we're not a republic. We take for granted for too long the peaceful transition of power. And that's something that really defines us as a nation. We have to have leaders who will stand up for the truth. And certainly, what happened on January 6th can never happen again. That's a line that can't be crossed.
How can you help ensure faith in the government and the political process in the future?
People have to have hope. People have to know that they can trust their elected leaders, that they are electing and putting their support behind people who will do what's right. I think people have to know that their elected leaders are going to abide by the oath that we all swear to the Constitution. It's an oath that we swear under God. It means something, and it's above politics. We're incredibly blessed that we have a system where we get to choose our leaders, but that system, at some point, you have to be willing to defend that system, and you have to be willing to say, you're going to put what's best for the country ahead of politics. And so I think that's a really important part of giving people hope for the future.